Okay, so we're just shooting a little demo of our simple system here of surround soundscape. As you can see, we do not have surround loudspeaker system, but in case of having a 5.0 or something like that, the sound would just simply reproduce randomly over the different speakers, creating the surround. Here we're just going to show how it works. So right here we have the code in Python that will take the sounds from free sound depending on the user query. So let's make an example. So we're gonna say something like birds, jungle, animal, and rain. Now we go to pure data, and it should load. So now the sounds are loaded, and also what we can do is that we can modify each sound as we like to modify our soundscape in general. So we can change the pitch. We can change also the pitch of the birds here. We can change the volume. And yeah, so that's basically it. We can modify the amount of sounds that we want to compose our soundscape, and again, having a surround system, we can just throw them to the different loudspeakers and create the whole surround soundscape.